Hello, welcome to my channel. My channel is all about soap making and handmade products. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for supporting my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram at the Scraftworks for more sneak peeks and ongoing projects. This video was from the February Soap Challenge Club, where I didn't read the guidelines properly and missed that we have to make 3 mica lines to enter that category. We then quickly switched to the drop swirl category and entered that one. You can watch the other video of Ronnie, my fiancé, making soap by clicking the I button on the top right hand corner. This was Ronnie's very first time making cold process soap, and he chose all the colours and design of this soap. So as you can see, after he poured in the lye solution, he carefully mixed it into an emulsion. He then split the batch into 3, and oh my god, it was such a challenge watching him make this soap as he was so slow with his mixing and his pouring, and I got so nervous about the trays because he was so slow. Even editing this video was making me nervous. So he finally got to adding in the colourants for the first layer. He wanted a white, so we added some titanium dioxide, aiming to blend the soap into a light to medium trace. Here he is, not listening to me when I asked him to check the trace of the soap. He can't seem to follow my demonstration and required clear verbal instructions to do something. Adding in an essential oil blend of lemon, orange and lavender, giving it a final blend before pouring it into the mold. Now pouring it into the mold, using a spatula to break the fall. I had to speed up this part so much because it was pouring too slow again. Giving the mold a quick tap on the table to release any air bubbles, and clean up the sides of the mold using a spatula. For the mica lines, he chose to use activated charcoal. Set the mold aside, and for the second layer we are doing the same by adding the essential oils, and we'll be colouring it blue using indigo powder. Again, stick blend to a medium trace. Once he got to the desired consistency, he poured the soap into the mold using a spatula to break the fall, making sure it doesn't break the layer below. You can see his head seeping through the screen, which shows how careful and nervous he was. Again, I have to complain that he's too slow. Now creating the second mica line, passing the activated charcoal through a strainer. It's best not to do such a thick layer or else the layers won't stick together and fall apart. Repeating the same steps for the last layer, and we're colouring it with red clay. Once he finished pouring the red soap, I got him to smooth the top using the spatula and clean the sides. I gave him the important job of covering the soap, and then we insulated the soap. I proceeded cutting the soap without him after a few days. Cutting the soap on its side to avoid drag marks from the activated charcoal lines. I gave the soaps a quick cleanup by planing and beveling. Although Ronnie didn't get his extra straight lines and we didn't comply to the challenge requirements, it was a great experience to test our relationship, and the soap turned out to be quite cute anyway. They look great as his first batch of soap. What do you think of his work? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos.